Most Flutter developers reach for AsyncNotifier the moment they see an API call. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You're probably adding complexity you don't need. Riverpod gives you 6 different providers, but only 3 matter for most apps. Provider for dependencies, FutureProvider for reading data, and AsyncNotifier for mutations. FutureProvider is deceptively powerful. It caches automatically, handles loading states through a sync value, and rebuilds your UI when data changes. The real mistake is using AsyncNotifier when you only need to display data. AsyncNotifier shines when you need to modify state, form submissions, updates, deletes. Here's the architecture that actually works. Data layer handles raw sources. Domain layer holds your models. Application layer exposes type-safe repositories. Presentation layer uses FutureProvider to wire it all together. When you do need mutations, AsyncNotifier becomes essential. It isolates side effects, exposes loading states, and keeps your widgets clean. The mutation pattern is straightforward. Repository exposes the API method. Controller extends AsyncNotifier with a submit method that sets state to loading, calls the repository, and catches errors. After a successful mutation, you need fresh data. 2 strategies exist. Real-time backend with stream provider pushes updates automatically, or invalidate the read provider with ref invalidate. Testing becomes trivial with this separation. Widget tests use fake repositories that return immediate data. Controller tests use mock repositories to verify state transitions. The key insight: start simple and add complexity only when justified. FutureProvider for reads. AsyncNotifier only when you need to write. Provider for dependencies. Most production bugs in Riverpod apps come from over-engineering, not under-engineering. Developers create nested notifiers for data that never changes. Riverpod's compile time safety is its superpower, but only if you use it correctly. Generated providers catch dependency errors before runtime. Auto-dispose prevents memory leaks. The decision framework is simple. Ask 2 questions. Do you need to modify the state? Is the operation asynchronous? If both answers are no, use provider. Your codebase will thank you for this discipline. FutureProvider eliminates hundreds of lines of boilerplate. AsyncNotifier keeps mutation logic isolated and testable. If this changed how you think about Riverpod, subscribe for more architecture insights. Drop a comment with your biggest state management struggle.